be showing you how to get your user ID on Bitget. So you have to locate your app and then click open the app. And of course, this is your app dashboard. And so the next thing you need to do is to navigate to the top left corner of your screen. At the top left corner, you have 4 dots, which shows you like the settings. And then here you have My Wallet at the very top of it. And you can see your user ID here. One option is to click on the copy icon. And when you copy it, it's going to show you that you have copied your user ID. And also you could tap on that area. And when you tap on the area, it's going to take you to more details about your account. And then you have it here also. You could also click on the copy icon here. And now it's copied and you could paste it anywhere to view your user ID. This is how to get your Bitget user ID.